Good day, sir. My name is Ivan Ken Acosta and my partner Chris Balakwit. Distress signal SOS through Morse light in accordance with Colregs Annex 4 and ICS. The SOS by Morse light is a flash repeatedly using a light ensure visibility and clear timing. Watch for acknowledgement or assistance. Follow safety and rescue protocols as per Colregs and SOLAS.
Meaning of SOS in Morse code. SOS is a universal recognized distress signal. In Morse code, SOS is a 3 short flash, 3 long flash, 3 short flash. So, yun na siya, sir. Isa na siya ka universal code niya. Kaya pong sa Morse code, tulo siya ka short flash o tulo po siya ka long flash o tulo ka short flash na code. Maro to, sir. Method of transmitting SOS with Morse light. Use an Aldis lamp, flashlight, or other signaling light visible to the intended receiver. Flash the Morse code for SOS in a continuous sequence. Short flash about 1 second, long flash about 3 seconds. Pause between each letter and repeat the full sequence regularly. An Aldis lamp or a flashlight can be used to transmit an SOS signal sa pamaagi sa Morse code na same sa pag-use sa use of flashlight with a small pause between each letter, dot or dash.
Receiving an SOS signal upon seeing via light signal is recognized it as a distress signal. Take immediately action to assist as per Colreg Rule 5 Lookout and SOLAS obligations. Respond using appropriate means, light, radio, or sound. Inform relevant rescue authorities, for example, Coast Guard or Maritime Rescue Coordination Center. Colreg Rule 36 allows the use of light signal in Morse code to attract attention. This rule permits the use of any lights or sound signal, including a light in Morse code, to attract attention. It cannot be mistaken or any other authorized signal. This includes a flashlight signal using Morse code SOS, if intended to attract attention in an emergency. The distress signal SOS is covered under Annex 4 of Colreg's distress signals, which includes a signal sent by a radio, telegraphy, or by any other signaling method. Consisting of the group SOS is the Morse code. This annex outlines internationally recognized distress signals. This is a signal sent by a telegraphy consisting of. So while 36 allows the use of more signals to attract attention, the Annex 4 elevates the SOS in Morse code to be recognized distress signal under emergency situations. That's all, sir. Thank you.